listening area, a blizzard warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday for the following counties: in Michigan, Allegan, Berry, Ionia, Kent, Montcalm, and Ottawa. A blizzard warning remains in effect from 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday for the following counties: in Michigan, Mason, Muskegon, and Oceana. A winter storm warning remains in effect from 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday for the following counties: in Michigan, Clare, Isabella, Lake, Mecosta, Newaygo, and Osceola.
Thanks for listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station KIG 63 in Grand Rapids, transmitting on the frequency of 162.55 megahertz. The current time is 7:47 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
This is the area weather outlook issued by the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids, Michigan. A major winter storm was gathering strength across the southern plains this morning. This system is expected to move in across the region beginning late this afternoon and continue through Wednesday. Heavy snowfall is expected across most of the area, and significant blowing and drifting of snow is expected. Southern areas will see stronger winds, heavier snow and blizzard conditions from blowing and drifting snow. Spotter activation will not be needed, but please send snowfall reports during the storm. Northeast gales and heavy freezing spray will continue on Lake Michigan through Wednesday afternoon. The high temperatures today and Wednesday will range from around 20 degrees to the mid-20s. The lows tonight will range from 15 to 20 degrees. The lows Wednesday night will range from 0 to 10 degrees above zero. Conditions around the area at 7 p.m. At Grand Rapids, light snow was falling. The temperature was 18 degrees, the dew point 13, and the relative humidity 80%. The wind was northeast at 32 miles an hour, gusting to 44, producing a wind chill of -2. The pressure was 30.07 inches and falling. Across the remainder of southwest.
You can cancel that call. That vehicle's been unoccupied since about 6 o'clock p.m. and the drivers have picked up the dark-colored Buick four-door with the hazards on.
7431 clear.
Clear direct, thanks.
Suspect 2101. Status check. 2101.
Bedroom helicopter command, no CO found, all units cleared it out.
10-4 for Howland Township, command, no CO found in the house. All units clear and available at 2310.
E47.
1372 on speed at 031.
With a tan hoodie with fur. All subjects have backpacks with screwdrivers in hand.
Fire, Coopersville Fire, Hudsonville Fire, Spring Lake Fire, and Howland Township officers and assisted police requesting units man the station with at least 2 personnel, one with a 4-wheel drive vehicle. Again, requesting units man the stations with at least 2 personnel, one with a 4-wheel drive vehicle for an assisted police. Central Clear 307. 10-4. Coopersville, Allendale, Spring Lake Fire, Hudsonville Fire, and Howland Township officers and an assisted police requesting units man your stations with at least 2 personnel, one with a 4-wheel drive vehicle to assist police in response to emergency calls. Again, requesting at least 2 personnel to man your stations, one with a 4-wheel drive vehicle to assist police in responding to emergency calls. Central Dispatch is clear at 308.
Station man with 1.
Effort copy, Allendale Station man with 1 at 308.